Where is your flight going?
My flight is going to Dubai.
What time does his plane take off?
His plane takes off at 8 o'clock.
Where are they checking in?
They are checking in at counter number 5.
What is she carrying in her hand?
She is carrying her passport and boarding pass.
Why is the flight delayed?
The flight is delayed because of bad weather.
Who is traveling with him?
His brother is traveling with him.
Where can I find the luggage trolley?
You can find the luggage trolley near the entrance.
What is written on this signboard?
It says departure gates.
Whose bag is lying near the chair?
That bag belongs to the passenger sitting there.
Where is the security check area?
The security check area is on the first floor.
Why is he talking to the airline staff?
He is asking about his missing suitcase.
What is inside this bag?
It has clothes and some personal items.
Where are they waiting?
They are waiting in the boarding lounge.
Who is sitting beside her?
A foreign passenger is sitting beside her.
What time should we reach the airport?
We should reach at least 2 hours before the flight.
Where did she put her boarding pass?
She put it inside her handbag.
Why is he standing in the queue?
He is waiting for security clearance.
Whose passport is this?
It's Ali's passport.
What is the officer checking?
The officer is checking the travel documents.
Where are the departure gates?
The departure gates are straight ahead.
Who is making the announcement?
The airline staff is making the announcement.
What is he showing to the staff?
He is showing his ID card.
Why are they going to the baggage claim area?
They are going to collect their luggage.
What time does the flight land?
The flight lands at 6:30 p.m.
Where is the immigration counter?
It's on the right side after the security check.
What did she buy from the duty-free shop?
She bought some chocolates and perfume.
Why is the line moving slowly?
It's moving slowly because of extra security checks.
Who is helping the old lady with her luggage?
The airport staff is helping her.
What is written on his boarding pass?
It shows his seat number and flight details.
Where did they park their car?
They parked it in the long-term parking area.
Why is the announcement repeating?
It's reminding passengers of the gate change.
What are the kids watching?
They are watching planes taking off.
Who is calling him now?
His friend is calling to say goodbye.
Where can she weigh her suitcase?
She can weigh it at the baggage counter.
What is the security officer holding?
He is holding a metal detector.
Why did the passenger open his bag?
He opened it for inspection.
Where are they flying from?
They are flying from Karachi Airport.
Who is traveling to London today?
Mr. Ahmed is traveling to London today.
What is written on the flight display screen?
It shows flight numbers and timings.
Why did she go to the information desk?
She went to ask about her gate number.
Who is waiting outside the airport?
His family is waiting to receive him.
Where are the washrooms?
The washrooms are near gate number 3.
What is the weight limit for luggage?
It's 23 kilograms per bag.
Why is he filling out a form?
He's filling out the immigration form.
Who is sitting near the window?
A young traveler is sitting there.
What is she doing with her phone?
She's taking pictures of airplanes.
Where did the flight come from?
It came from Doha.
Why is the passenger running?
He's running because boarding has started.
Who is making a final call for boarding?
The airline staff is making it.
What is inside her hand luggage?
It contains her laptop and documents.
Where is the lost and found office?
It's next to the baggage claim area.
Why did he go to the help desk?
He lost his boarding pass.
Who is checking the hand luggage?
The security officer is checking it.
What is written on the baggage tag?
It has the passenger's name and destination.
Where are they standing now?
They are standing near gate B12.
Why is the alarm beeping?
Someone forgot to remove metal items.
Who is speaking on the microphone?
The flight attendant is speaking.
What did he forget at home?
He forgot his passport at home.
Where did she buy that suitcase?
She bought it from the airport shop.
Why is she showing her ticket again?
The gate agent asked for verification.
Who is traveling alone?
Sarah is traveling alone.
What is the man carrying?
He's carrying a travel pillow and jacket.
Where did they come from?
They came from the arrival terminal.
Why is she reading the screen?
She's checking her gate number.
Who is collecting the boarding passes?
The airline staff is collecting them.
What time does the next flight depart?
It departs at 9:15 a.m.
Where did the flight delay happen?
It happened at the connecting airport.
Why is the passenger upset?
His luggage didn't arrive.
Who is holding the baby?
The mother is holding the baby.
What is the weather like at the destination?
It's cloudy and cool there.
Where can we buy coffee?
You can buy coffee from the cafe near the lounge.
Why are they scanning the bags?
They are checking for prohibited items.
Who is waiting at the baggage belt?
All arriving passengers are waiting there.
What is this loud sound?
It's an announcement for boarding.
Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Malaysia today
Why is the flight boarding early?
because the plane arrived ahead of time.
Who is greeting passengers at the door?
The flight attendants are greeting them.
What did he order at the cafe?
He ordered a sandwich and juice.
Where is the airline office located?
It's near the main entrance
Why is the flight being announced again?
because boarding is closing soon.
Who is waiting in the lounge?
Business class passengers are waiting there.
What is he holding in his hand?
He's holding his visa and boarding pass.
Where did she place her passport?
She placed it in her travel pouch.
Why are they clapping?
Their flight finally landed safely.
Who is guiding the passengers to the gate?
The airport staff is guiding them.
What time does the baggage belt start moving?
It starts after the flight lands.
Where are the customs officers standing?
They are standing near the exit gate.
Why is the officer checking every bag?
He's making sure nothing illegal is carried.
Who is calling for the connecting flight?
The airport announcer is calling for it.
What is written on the screen above the gate?
It shows the flight number and destination.
Where did the passengers come from?
They came from different countries.
Why is she smiling?
She met her family after a long time.
Who is holding the airport map?
A tourist is holding it to find his gate.